Hello everyone. This question was asked in GATE 2008 Production and Industrial Specialization, and it was asked on electrochemical machining. So what they ask in electrochemical machining operation, a square hole of dimension 5 cross 5 mm is drilled in a block of copper. The current used is 5000 amperes. Atomic weight of copper is also given, which is 63, and the valency of dissolution is 1. Faraday's constant, which is given, it is 96,500 coulombs, and the material removal rate they are asking in specifically grams per second. So this is basically a schematic of this ACM process, in which electrode and workpiece is there, and electrode is connected to the negative terminal of the power supply, and the workpiece is connected to the positive terminal. This positive terminal is known as anode, and this negative terminal is known as cathode. So this electrolyte is provides the flow of this complete the circuit, which helps in dissolution of the workpiece material. So moving to the electrolysis fundamental. Okay, so it is governed by the Faraday's laws of electrolysis. So what it says, the mass of the substance deposited or liberated at any electrode or passing a certain amount of charge is directly proportional to its chemical equivalent weight. Okay, so this is a basis, like how much the substance is dissolved or liberated or deposited from a certain material during the passage of the current. Okay, so it's directly proportional to its chemical weight, equivalent weight. So this is a small relation of the mass that is dissolved in grams, which is equivalent to the current pass, directly proportional to the time of this current, chemical equivalent weight, and indirectly proportional to the Faraday's laws. So this is one basic law that is governing the dissolution of a workpiece material on passing a certain amount of current for a certain amount of time. So they are asking about M/T ratio. Okay, so M/T ratio is equal to the ratio of product of I and E by F. So once we put all the values of current, that is 5000 amperes, that and E, that is electrogram equivalent 63, and Faraday's constant or proportionality, that is 96,500. So we are arrived at this value 3.264 precisely in grams per second. Might be they can ask in any different form like kilogram per minute, so you can modify according to the requirement. Okay, thank you.